Welcome to our kitchen. With Lent coming up, I'd like to introduce a meal that you may seem proper for the occasion. Today, I want to share with you a delicious and nutritious recipe for vegetable stir-fry with tofu. To start, you'll need a block of firm tofu, drained and pressed to remove excess water. Cut the tofu into half-inch cubes and marinate them in a mixture of soy sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, and sesame oil for at least 15 minutes. Next, heat some vegetable oil in a skillet and cook the marinated tofu cubes until they are golden brown and crispy on all sides. Once cooked, set the tofu aside and prepare your vegetables. Thinly slice red and yellow bell peppers, julienne a large carrot, and trim snap peas. In the same skillet, stir-fry the vegetables until they are tender crisp. Now, combine the cooked tofu with the stir-fried vegetables in the skillet. Drizzle some more soy sauce over the mixture and toss everything together until the tofu and vegetables are evenly coated with the sauce. Remove the skillet from the heat and serve the vegetable stir-fry with tofu hot over cooked brown rice or quinoa. For an extra touch, garnish your dish with sliced green onions or sesame seeds. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding your favorite vegetables or adjusting the seasoning to suit your taste preferences. This dish is not only easy to make, but also packed with protein and vitamins from the tofu and colorful vegetables. So next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful meal to enjoy, give this vegetable stir-fry with tofu a try. It's a great way to incorporate more plant-based ingredients into your diet and satisfy your taste buds at the same time. I hope you enjoy making and eating this dish as much as I do. Bon appetit!